Let's go, everyone. Today super excited to be unboxing this DeWalt light. So this is the compact task light. Accepts the 12 volt and the 20 volt lithium ion battery. Let's get into it. Got a lot of DeWalt unboxing videos coming up. It's got a bunch of tools and stuff I need. So I'll be making videos of them all for you. Alright. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. Remove protective film before use. Yeah, and it just accepts their standard battery right here, and you can adjust the light. Very cool. Different viewing angles. Very, very nice. This will be very handy. I'm going to go use this now in the garage. All right, everyone. Let me know what you think of this DeWalt light in the comment section below. Very sturdy handle. Digging it. Let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. And again, I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from. DCL077. Cool. Take care, everyone. Catch you all for the next DeWalt unboxing video. Later.